What's up guys, it's me Umair. So I'm going to do a video test. Yes, I already connected my speaker. Let me go to apps. I download the VLC player. You can use YouTube to test a video or your application, or you can copy the file directly. Let me open the VLC player so I can see some video, but I want to test the 4K video. As you can see, can we play the 4K video or not? This is a 4K video. Can you see the resolution? Yeah, it's a 4K video. Now I want to play this video. This is a 4K video test. Let me turn on the A2 mode. Wow, it can even play a 4K video. Wow. Okay, the video lag is, but it still can play. It can play the 4K video. The 4K video work. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, the 4K video work. Subscribe and bye.
Hey.